come to day 25 of our cycle. So we are still growing our chickens, and in today's video I want to talk about the cost of raising broiler chickens in 3 weeks. So in the past 3 weeks we have spent probably around 1,985, or if not 1,984, somewhere there. So I'm gonna break down the cost for you guys. So the first cost that we have occurred, it was when we bought our day-old chicks, which the cost, it was 1,050 rand. And then the second cost, it was our wood shaving. So we have used 3 bags of the wood shaving so far, and each bag cost around 30 rand. So which means we have used 90 rand of wood shaving. And then another cost that we have occurred so far, it was electricity. So remember that I'm using electricity to provide heat or to brood my chicken. So I will say the cost for electricity, it will go for 200 rand. And then another cost, it was feed. So our starter, we bought it for 435. And then our 2 bags of grower, we bought them for 1 bag of grower actually, not 2. Because remember that they ate 1 bag of starter for 2 weeks, and then they ate 1 bag of grower for a week. So which means there's only 2 bags that we have used. So in 3 weeks they have consumed 100 kg of feed. So 1 bag of starter, it was 435, and then 1 bag of grower, it was around 404 rand. Yeah. So that's our total cost for the 3 weeks cycle of our broiler chicken. So here's another thing that you do on your journey of growing a chicken. So every day you come to your house, you train your bedding just to keep it fresh, so that you don't spend so much money on your wood shaving. So you need to also apply ventilation to make sure that the wood or the bedding dries off. So you don't want to have a wet bedding in your house, and you also don't want to have a bedding that will cause ammonia. So what you do every day, you turn your bedding. Another cost that I'm not going to add on is water. So I use water that I get for free actually, because where I stay you get water for free, so I'm using the free water. So that's another cost. If you're going to be spending on water, you're going to add that cost as well. So for transportation, I get my chicks not far from my home. It's about 3 kilometers or 2 kilometers from where I stay. So I'm not going to add that cost because it's too close to my area. So that's what I wanted to talk about in the 3 week of our cycle. So this week we're going to be turning 4 weeks. Probably going to be starting to sell. You can see my chicken are very big. So in the next week, this week that we are on, probably we're going to be using 2 bags of grower. Remember on day 21 we opened our first or our second bag of grower, and that bag has been finished today, and today it's only 4 days since we opened that bag. So it means that our broiler chicken now, they start to eat too much. So it means that in less than 4 days they have consumed 50 kg of feed. Remember that today it's day 25, and I'm doing this video talking about a 3 week cost. So I'm not going to be including this other 4 days. So I'm only talking about from day 1 until day 21. I'm only talking about that cost. But right now my chicken are on their journey to the 4 week chicks. So we are only left with 3 days before they turn 4 weeks. So guys, in the next video we're gonna be talking about the cost of raising broiler chicken in 4 weeks. And we're also going to be talking about other things if we have any development. But so far our mortality still stay at 2% rate, which means we only lost 2 chickens. And this looks very good, guys. You know, when you don't lose chickens, you already counting the money that you're going to be making.